Welcome. If you've ever used incognito mode in Google Chrome, you know it's a great way to browse privately without saving your history. But did you know Chrome has a feature that locks your incognito tabs when you leave the app? While this adds an extra layer of privacy, it can be inconvenient if you want quick access to your private tabs. Today, I'll show you how to easily disable the Lock Incognito tabs when you leave Chrome feature updated for the latest version. Let's get started. First, open the Chrome app on your device. Look for the three dots in the top right corner. This is the More menu. Tap on it, then select Settings from the drop-down list. This will take you to the main settings page where you can customize your browsing experience. Next, scroll down until you see the option labeled Privacy and Security. Tap on this to enter the privacy settings. Here you'll find several options to help you control how Chrome protects your information and browsing habits. Now, look for the setting called Lock Incognito tabs when you leave Chrome. This is usually a toggle switch. If it's turned on, Chrome will require your fingerprint, PIN, or screen lock whenever you try to access your incognito tabs after leaving the app. To disable this, simply tap the toggle to turn it off. Once you do, Chrome will stop locking your incognito tabs, letting you return to them instantly without any authentication. That's it. You've now disabled the lock on incognito tabs. From now on, you can switch between apps or close Chrome without having to unlock your private tabs every time. Remember, with this feature turned off, anyone with access to your phone can open your incognito tabs if Chrome is still running. So, only disable it if you're sure your device is secure. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our other tips on getting the most out of Chrome. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.